Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I'll explain how to make a digital painting on a mobile. I have been doing series of digital paintings. So this is one of the series where I will be using the IBIS app, whose description will be given in the description box below. So let's start how to make it. You have to use a simple mobile and download the app and then see the working which I am showing. I have started by using a grayscale where I am using blue and red mixture, and the circle movement which you are seeing is the tool which is displayed in the IBIS app. In this night scene I will be trying to make a moon, so I am using the eraser tool which is shown as the form of an eraser. So here I have started and I am rubbing it to bring out the white from the blue. It will give the appearance of a moon. Now adjust the size of the moon and then continue by using the different scales. The wave effect in the sea is used by using the white and the brush tool, and I am scratching it or rubbing it on the screen, and the effects of the wave is coming out. So we use this tool and then we spread the size of the brush. The size of the brush will come in the movie in this picture. The size of the brush is adjusted to give the appearance of the clouds. Subscribe to us on Instagram as well as on Facebook. My hashtag is Arshri Learning Official, and follow us and you will get updates on regular video posting. Digital drawing is very interesting and it is easy to do. You have to just use your simple mobile and use the app and keep following the rules or the instructions we are given. Here I am using the tool scraper and the other tools which are mentioned. The size of the brush is adjusted to give the thickness of the waves. I am trying to make thin waves, thin lining, so I am rubbing it on the screen and it gives a white script of appearance on the screen. The best part of doing painting on mobile is that you can redo it, you can draw, you can erase, you can redo it, keep doing it again and again. Some of you might say that what is the use of doing it on the mobile? The most interesting thing is that you can complete the drawing, then you can download it and you can get a printout and enlarge it as much size you want. This is the mixing plate tool which is in the app. I am mixing the colors and then finally I am painting it on the painting. The colors are mixed and then we can keep on changing the color. So there is no hassle of mixing the colors, there is no hassle of using water, and you just keep on mixing the color and rub it. You can keep doing it again and again. The circle movement which you are seeing is the size of the brush which I have selected and I am rubbing it on the skin. Do watch this complete full video till the end. You will understand that how to select the brush and how to paint. Do subscribe the channel for new updates and the new video being posted, and do give a like to the video, and of course do subscribe if you like the video. I have made the size of the brush very thin to make the waves and to give the shade. At the top of the sky I want to smudge, so I have selected the color and now I am adjusted the size of the brush so that I can mix the color. Like in watercolors, we use a broad brush and a fine brush. In the same way, when we do digital painting, we adjust the size of the brush according to the area where we have to paint. The water effect in the sea is shown by using again the three tones of color: the dark color, the middle tone and the light tone, and the white I am using for highlighting. So here I am highlighting the clouds, and the size of the brush is again adjusted according to the area where I am painting it. I can zoom in and I can zoom out. When I want to highlight a small area, I am zooming in. Now I am trying to color the area around the moon, where the highlight of the moon is shining, showing a reflection on the clouds. Then the same reflection is seen below the moon also. So white is used, and normally the white which we use in the watercolor, same way I am not using pure white, I am using mixture of white and slight blue also. Now here I am using the highlighting to give the reflection of moon on the sea. In my channel I have explained all forms of art. There are digital art, watercolors, carving craft, clay art, acrylic, sketching, cartooning, crayons and lots more. So I will be doing live sessions of all the people who want to learn different forms of art. So stay tuned and do subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates on the new video being posted. Do watch the other videos. Their links I have given at the top of this video and at the end of the video. It's almost done. Now doing the finishing touches. Wherever the areas have to be highlighted or made dark, I am doing that to do the finishing up of the painting. Try out this painting and do let me know how you have done and what did you feel. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, then you can give your comments and I will help you and I will take your problems if you have any doubts. Well, it's almost done. I am doing the final bit. The painting is completed. The areas of the cloud will not remain full white, so I am mixing a little bit of blue so that the colors mix up with the background. If you have subscribed, then don't forget to push that notification bell button so that you get the notification of the new video which I make and you don't miss out on the important update. So the painting is over. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making the painting. If you enjoyed watching it, then do give a thumbs up and give a like and give your comments so that I am ready to make more videos on the same topic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.